traders, I'm gonna be doing a auto tuner update on Tron. It's gonna be actually Tron BTC now. I'm gonna be moving away from Ether now to doing more BTC pairs. So here's the one that we're gonna be showing you today. Now I went ahead and did my analysis already. I kind of cleaned it all up the best I could. But Tron is just not moving much right now, but it is what it is. So, and the MACD's been looking weird too. I don't know if this is bad data or whatever, but it just having flat lines like this, I guess it just isn't moving much, or there's something weird. So, and then you have these little spikes that come in. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. So, but it is what it is. Well, here's the settings. Check it out. This is for a 1-day back test. Alright, and I added some features to Autotuner to not mess with these settings. So if you want these to be all 0, they will not be messed with, and they'll just mess with everything else. Okay. I think I meant to do that, but somehow I think I clicked the wrong setting and I added this. So let's look at let me show you the rest of the settings. So grab a snapshot of that if you guys want this. Now what I've noticed that sometimes when we have good ROI, the next days aren't that great. But some days when we have really bad, or at least not as great, and then I'm like, I shouldn't turn this on. And then a couple days later it pops up 20-30% and goes, wow. I was like, damn, I should have turned this one on, because it was just like building up all this energy, with just a steady, very low ROI. But as far as working the buy and sell signals, I think I like them where they are. Wish I could get another buy signal here, but it is what it is. But let's look at the analyzer. Alright, so let's look at the chart for 1 hour. And I think I need to back this for a day. This is only for the past day, so this is what it's doing. It's buying low, selling high, buy low, sell high. And that's what I needed to do. Okay. Now fee wise, it looks like it's a little high, so we gotta watch that. Okay. I'll keep my eye on this. I actually forward tested, which is $100 on this one. I'm kind of worried about this setting here, but we'll see what happens when it starts to get more price action. Okay. But right now there's really not much action, just a lot of sideways kind of thing. So that's why the fees are really racking up quite a bit here. Okay. In terms of revenue wise, not much, but it's just for a day. We'll see what happens. Okay. So I'm gonna run this one small. I'll watch it and go from there. So I want to show you an update to our auto tuner. Show you a little preview here. I have the GUI, or user interface, created. It's good for now. A little easier to see. So let me move this over. There it is, guys. Alright, so this is just a preview for now. I have a setting where you can actually load. So if you have your IP address, whatever, you actually save that first, and then you can load it. Let's just hit that one button. Everything that you have, your username, password, all be loaded up from a file, and then you can just launch a Chrome browser. It'll start right up. And then if you have any of these settings filled too, it'll also fill for you. Okay. And then everything is just the same. You can then view your stuff over here on the side, your ROI, positive, negative, as it's perturbing, and it's a permanent no improvement counter and an independent variable counter. Okay. And then here's the where you can stop the loop after you can stop it after one full loop kind of thing. All right. So that's it for now. I think my next feature that people have been asking for is to be able to track the amount of trades that we can do. Do want to maximize the number of trades. I mean, allow the ability to lose if it needs to, but lose small, but also gain big when it has a chance to gain big. Okay. As long as losing is part of the game. Otherwise, we have a higher risk of holding bags for long term. And usually, when I see that over 7 days, I just market sell and get out and jump out anyway. So, but we're gonna try our best. I know it's a bear market right now to continue to trade on sideways, small moving amounts. So we're gonna try to see what we can squeeze by. It is difficult, but it is what it is. We just gotta be ready when the market turns. Then you'll have all your bots ready, and you'll be able to take advantage of that. So right now it's just surviving and getting by right now until you know, and you know, getting your bots ready when waiting for that time for the market to turn. I'm sure a lot of people have given up already, and that's good for us if you know you got the will to survive and stay. So don't give up, guys. Stick with it and just get your bots going. Once I have all this the table set out and I can count the number of trades, there's a feature here to kind of see the amount of trades. I don't know if I want to use that reliably. I actually just want to scrape out all of this and do the analysis myself. That way I think I can get the amount of time I'm holding the bag and set that as a criteria too. So if it says, you know, back tested and it's holding bags for more than, you know, no more than 3 days, then it'll kick that out, and then we readjust the setting so that we have back tests that are holding bags for maybe only 3 days max, or whatever the setting that you set for the trades. Okay. All right, and what else do I have? I think once that is all done, I'm gonna work on my next one, which is then be able to create bots. Now I think we can run 2 simultaneous back tests at the same time, so we can multi-thread that to 2. A couple issues is when I do that, I need to grab the names of this so that when we do a back test, it'll know which back test has completed for which. Oh, it's active. Okay. Alright, so let's do back test here. So that here, I need to grab that data, and that's what I know which pair has been done. So we have multiple going on, I can then track, and then that way we can just at least run 2 per server. And then what we're going to do is I need to learn how to set up a database, which will then collaborate on a server with all the bots that are there. We'll give you guys an option here to contribute, whether you want to contribute or not. If you contribute to it, you'll be able to benefit from the initial settings and be able to launch many bots quite quickly from a database of working ones. And so what it's going to do is compare over time. As it compares with the database with other people contributing to it, the best ROI plus highest number of trades will continue to push on. There's going to be something about that. I don't know whether higher trades is better or ROI is better. Maybe a higher amount of trades, because I think that's you know, with a certain threshold of ROI or something like that. So it doesn't fall below a certain point when we increase our trades for consistency, actually. And if that's so, then that contributes to the global database. And so when anyone new that comes in can just click a button, create all their bots automatically, and then stay in sync with everything else. I'll add some kind of randomization of maybe 1% with a random time generator or something, so every person with the bot doesn't have the exact same setting with the exact same trades with the exact same whatever. I think there, you know, I don't know, just by intuition, I think there should be some slight randomization. Otherwise, I think it changes the market if there's too many people using it. I don't know, but you know, it's a small group for now, but it might not matter. But you know, as it gets bigger and bigger, at least that's already built in. So at least that's what I foresee. Any other features that you guys want are, you know, in there, definitely comment below. Let me know. Definitely for our, you know, all these comments are helping me to improve and serve you guys better and providing a bot that will help you tune it. I'll be able to add some tabs here so you can actually manage all your bots, load them all up, see what's traded, what's not, what's the best ROI. I think that's some of the stuff that it has already, but mainly control the trade amount. And sometimes you want to double up on it or whatever. You might be able to slate some and push it forward and say, hey, these bots are actually live testing forward good. Recommend it to double up on these guys and double up on them, or maybe have them automatically double up on them. I don't know, double down, I mean. So increase your position as it does well for each trade. Increase your positions more and more as it's doing better and better. Okay. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys are excited about that, and you guys want to be part of this group and get your hands on this auto tuner. Definitely click the link below and you know, sign up. Now I think I need to be transparent with you guys. You have to join the VIP, which is the basic one, and the advanced one is offered later on. So it's $10 for the VIP, and then it's $29 a month to get to the advanced spot, which I think is very low for, you know, I mean, the software I'm just kind of throwing in as a free gift actually, but whatever value you guys see in it, whatever money it makes you guys, you know, see as that, if it generates you extra income, then it's well worth it. For now, I just, you know, serve, and then we'll see if the auto tuner is valuable later on. Then we'll need to adjust the price later. So thank you guys. If I've earned your upvotes on Steemit, click the link below. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Have a good one.